finally got my PPR after 3 months. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So this is Tejas, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. As you know, more videos are coming right now because I got the PPR. So this video is about my timeline of study permit. I haven't still got the visa stamped yet. I have still got the PPR only. So hence, this is the timeline from applying for the study permit to receiving the PPR. So let's get started. So firstly, I would like to shed some light on my medical scene. So here's the thing, I booked my medical appointment before applying to the study permit. But I was like, it was going to be late to apply for the study permit. So hence, first I booked the appointment for 17th of May and I submitted my application on 8th May. So therefore, after applying for the study permit, I had the UCI number, which is the unique client identification number, and I hence explained them that I already have this number and I have the application number. So is it okay to take the medical without the IME form? So they said yes, it is okay. The staff said yes, it is okay. You can come and take the medical done. So I went there. The doc said you have two options. You can either cancel the medical appointment, the entire medical results, or you can wait for IME and then mail us so that we can mail the IRCC to link your application and your medical. So I chose the latter one because it was COVID times and I had already done the medical, so why not wait? But it was taking forever for the IME to come, so I raised a web form on 21st June and explained my situation to them that this happened, etc. And hence attached the medical acknowledgement letter, and fortunately got a reply from IRCC on 26th of June, which was a positive reply. They said that they have received my document, which is medical acknowledgement, and they also invited me to mail the Delhi immigration, which was my consulate, and hence I mailed them, and on 30th June my medical was updated without getting the IME. So moral of the story, I did not get any IME form, but I did my medical after applying. So hence this was something new because no one knew this, no one did this before, so I was like completely tense, but fortunately everything worked out. So coming to my actual timeline, so here's the thing, I lodged my file on 8th May, my medical was done on 17th May, my biometric got updated on 23rd June, my medical was updated on 30th June, and the BVL or biometric verification letter or the correspondence letter I got on 30th June itself. And finally got the PPR on 5th of August, which was just one day before 6th August. They said they'll give every study permit application the results between 6th August and now. So hence that was the timeline. After 3 months, got the PPR finally, and hence I hope you got the timeline and all, and I hope you will get the PPR soon. So don't lose hope, which is ironic because I myself had lost it, but still anyways, just hold on, you'll get the PPR soon. All the best and bye bye.